Welcome! In this video, I'll walk you through a beginner's guide to finding the Health Hub from Yoga Charm, your one-stop destination for wellness, balance, and healthy living. Whether you're new to yoga, exploring holistic health, or simply looking for reliable support, this guide will help you get started with ease. The Health Hub by Yoga Charm was created to give people access to trusted resources, from yoga practices and guided meditations to nutrition tips, wellness articles, and professional health connections. Instead of searching across multiple sites, you can find everything in one simple, organized place. So, how do you find it? Step 1. Go to the official Yoga Charm website. On the homepage, look for the tab or link labeled Health Hub. It's typically easy to spot and placed prominently for new visitors. Step 2. Once you enter the Health Hub, you'll see it's divided into clear categories. These may include yoga tutorials, meditation practices, nutrition guidance, mental health resources, and holistic wellness services. This structure makes it simple for beginners to explore without feeling overwhelmed. Step 3. Use the search function. If you already know what you're looking for, like beginner yoga videos, plant-based diet tips, or stress relief routines, just type it in and instantly see tailored results. Step 4. Explore the details. Each resource in the Health Hub is designed to be practical and user-friendly. You'll find step-by-step guides, expert advice, and community insights that make it easy to apply wellness practices to your daily life. Step 5. Connect and engage. Many of the resources link directly to workshops, online sessions, or local wellness providers, so you can take the next step from learning to practicing in real time. What makes Yoga Charm's Health Hub unique is its focus on combining traditional yoga wisdom with modern health solutions. It's designed not only to inform but also to inspire healthy habits and empower you to take charge of your well-being. So, to recap, visit Yoga Charm online, head to the Health Hub, explore categories, search for what you need, review the detailed resources, and connect with the guidance that supports your personal health journey. With this beginner's guide, finding the Health Hub is straightforward, accessible, and a powerful step toward living a healthier and more balanced life.